Hi guys. Today is Wednesday, June 26, 2024. The time is 4:26 a.m. in the morning, and I've been up all night. And that's a good thing about being a retiree. I don't have to be anywhere. If I want to stay up all night, make YouTube videos, I can. And that's what I've been doing. But I thought I'd make this quick video. It might help somebody. I'm trying to educate as many people as possible. After surviving a health scare and losing 57 pounds of excess body weight, that even a senior citizen, an old man, an old grandpa like me, can regain good health, eliminate obesity, and achieve muscular endurance, size, and strength if they just know how. And I think a lot of people just don't know how. But when it comes to obesity, it's diet that's the key. And I honestly believe that most people just don't know that they can substitute the type of foods they eat, which will help them to eliminate obesity. And I think there's a mental aspect to this as well, is that, and when I mean by mental, I mean psychological, that a lot of people turn to food for instant gratification as a remedy to loneliness or anxiety, as a way to obtain pleasure, if they feel bad. And that if they think about it, there's decisions that they can make, choices that they can make, that can help them overcome obesity. If you're using food for comfort, it's a self-defeating strategy, because the more you eat, the more obese you'll become. And the more obese you become, the more depressed you'll become. And it's also more likely you're going to be more lonelier, because there's a tendency for people not to want to associate with obese people. And they tend to look down on people who are obese. I know that. I've been there. I've been obese. I understand the psychology behind it. But I want you to know that it's possible for you to overcome obesity and to regain your good health, and to achieve muscular endurance, size, and strength, even if you're an old person like me. I'm a senior citizen. I'm 67 years and 8 months old, and I've been able to do it. And I want to share that knowledge with you. And if you can't personally benefit from this, then possibly you can share this information with people that you know, because obesity is a plague in America, and is pervasive and is widespread. But here's the purpose of this video. There's an old saying that life's about choices. And if you don't like your life, make better choices. It's not a secret that the overabundance of food is the cause of obesity in America. But you get to choose what type of foods you eat. What I'm suggesting is that when it comes to food, especially if you're using them for comfort food, is to make better choices. For instance, there are a lot of foods with resistant starches, and resistant starches are starches that is difficult for your body to digest. What I'm suggesting is that when you make food choices, to pick foods that have resistant starches. Resistant starches are different from refined starches, and most people think that all starches are bad, which isn't true. Refined starches quickly convert to sugar. The body digests it quickly, and this spikes your blood sugar level. which isn't good because it makes your cells become insulin resistant. And insulin is like the biochemical key to your cells. And then inside the cells has mitochondria, which uses the glucose, for energy. So if your cells become insulin resistant, the insulin doesn't open up the cells so the body can, use the glucose for energy, which will make you more tired. And this causes you to eat more food, trying to get that energy, which makes your cells even more insulin resistant, and it's a compounding problem. Instead of eating refined starches, eat resistant starches, which is hard for your body to digest, which will force your body to burn fat to get the calories it needs. Good sources for resistant starches are green bananas, not yellow bananas, but green bananas, because when bananas ripen, the resistant starches turn to sugar. Yams or sweet potatoes, whole grains like barley, quinoa, even oatmeal. Another good source of resistant starches are legumes like beans and peas. And the reason why is because they have the cellular wall that surrounds the nutrients inside. So if you are going to eat beans and peas, as a diet food, which is a good idea because it will fill your stomach and make you feel full, which will kill your appetite, and that itself will help you lose weight, swallow them whole. If you swallow your beans and peas whole, you can do so safely, and it'll be hard for your body to digest, which means a great portion of it will pass through your digestive system without the body being able to digest it. And if the body doesn't digest it, then this means that it's not getting calories from it, which will force your body to burn fat to get the calories it needs. I firmly believe that food should be 1. Nutritious, 2. Safe to eat, 3. Available, 4. Inexpensive, and 5. Easy to prepare. Well, whole grains are inexpensive, and it's safe to eat, and it's available, and it's nutritious, and it's easy to prepare. So is oatmeal. So is bananas, green bananas. So are yams. Yams are easy to prepare, just stick it in the microwave for 4 minutes. And if you want to spend another 30-40 seconds washing it, that's a good idea too. But yams are easy to prepare. It's a quick meal. So here's a quick tip. Just get some almond milk. And you can buy this at Walmart. And this provides 30 grams of protein. And there's the nutritional information. And 180 calories. So with your almond milk, you can buy the unsweetened almond milk, which gives you 30 calories, per serving. And this gives you 180. But you can make a protein shake in literally 2 or 3 minutes. And this will leave you feeling satisfied. So there you go, guys. Again, as the old saying goes, life's about choices. If you don't like your life, make better choices. The same is true for your diet. So consciously choose to pick foods that are high in resistant starches, because your body will have a problem digesting resistant starches. It will make your stomach feel full, which will kill your appetite, and it will force your body to burn fat to get the calories it needs. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.